As you can see, this is a CA communication system, VBA based WhatsApp automation tool. Here are the templates for the various reminders for document collection, director KYC. This is the main sheet communication queue from which all the messages would be generated and sent. Dashboard to just have a gist of whatever activities we have done. Master client database. All the database of all the clients will be maintained here. Master import log. This is just a log. Whenever we will create an import, here the log will be updated. ROC client list. What we all the clients with ROC are listed here. All the directors here. ITR client list from whom we have to collect documents. GST client list for monthly and GST return filing. Tally outstanding fees of clients against invoice number. This is settings wherein you can give your firm name, financial year for which the amount is outstanding, and these are the placeholders which you can use in templates. Okay, so we will show you how master client database is updated. First of all, press Alt F8 or simply here in the dashboard, refresh master database. Master database is rebuilt successfully. All the information from various clients has been imported. As you can see, whether to Ankit Jain GST service is applicable, yes, ITR service is applicable, the services are not applicable. So everything else is no. Okay. This combines based on PAN, GST, SIN, DIN. The next important feature is of communication queue, which I wanted to show you. Click on Alt F8, daily communication run. From all the client list that we have prepared, it will create the messages. All queues are being created and all messages has been generated, as you can see here correctly. The status is ready. When was it created? Last updated. It was created just now. Now what we have to do is send these messages on WhatsApp. Please make sure that your WhatsApp should be open. Okay. Now click on Alt F8. Click on Send Already WhatsApp. As we press enter, I have introduced delay here in WhatsApp purposely. See, mobile number is pasting, the message that was generated is pasting, and it is sent at 11:15. I have purposely introduced delay because I don't want my WhatsApp to get blocked under any circumstance. Even though my mobile numbers are saved and I'm communicating with that particular chat, still I have introduced a delay. This delay can be removed. If this delay is removed, it is able to send 40 to 50 messages in 1 minute. If if you can see in the background, this ready status is also getting changed to sent. Random delays, after random delays, it is picking up the generated messages and it is sending automatically. One more feature that I'm going to add in this is export WhatsApp chat from a particular group wherein all the leads are mentioned, and then import it to this master client database and then send messages to that particular leads. So this feature will, with this feature, we will be able to follow up with new potential leads. Like supposingly a particular customer has made an inquiry on 20th of June 2026 for GST registration. So we will just have to put that particular lead in Google form or maybe in that WhatsApp group chat. And this tool will be able to, you know, uh, import that client into master client database and send a reminder message like whether you have decided for opening GST registration or not. So this will eliminate follow-ups also to a great extent. See, as you can see in the background also, the status of is getting changed to sent from ready. I think this is done. Now I am pressing Alt tab and checking. See, already messages has been processed. See, status of all the messages has been changed to sent from ready. So this is it.